Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use photos as a sticker in WhatsApp on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So firstly, what you need to do is just simply open App Store and then you have to install this type of app. Its name is Stickerly. So you have to install this type of app like this. So after that, what you need to do is just simply open it. Now, after that, what you need to do, just simply tap on this plus icon. Now tap on regular or animated. Now I'm going to tap on regular option. So here is my photos. So now I'm going to select one of them from here like this. Now when you tap on auto, so as you can see guys, background has been removed. So you can also write something like this. Now you can also select the color of text and you can also change the font like this. Okay guys, tap on done. You can also replace this one like this. You can also choose emojis like this. You can also select multiple emojis like this. You can also select the background. So you can select colored background like this, like this. Tap on next. Now here tap on save. Tap on new pack. Now you can give it name. Tap on create. Now as you can see guys, showing here add to WhatsApp. Just simply tap on this. So because this is free, so you have to watch some ads from here. As you can see guys, wants to open WhatsApp, open it. Here is your sticker. So you have to tap on save and this sticker will be saved on WhatsApp. Okay guys. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.